Damn it. God damn it.
Did you hit something recently?
Shit. Just touch it, your wheel. You.
Hi Sam.
What's going on, man? What's up with the car?
We have a broken clutch pedal plate. So, need to get it back together so that there's a proper weight reduction on the clutch disc to disengage. Because right now I'm just burning the clutch. You can smell it. It stops. You can smell it burning.
Is this drivable?
Oh yeah, it's drivable. It's just not ideal. Not optimal conditions at all. A little bit more going on in here. This is the second time I've done this repair, and I hate doing a repair twice, you know? It drives me nuts. I love this car. I never thought I'd like Subaru.
Did you finish welding it?
I think so. I mean, it's a terrible weld. It is a terrible weld. But, we'll give it a shot. I wonder... I mean, that fuse might be popped. I don't know.
I wonder if it's the relay or something. Because that fuse, does that go back in that one spot?
I was going to stick in that one spot.
Yeah.
I mean, it might be popped.
But it should have come on.
Yeah.
Relay.
Right. I just wanted to make sure I didn't weld the
Yeah, the pedal to it.
pedal to it like I did. Yeah.
Like one time.
Yeah. Good call, my man. Yep. I like that one time.
It happens.
Oh yeah, so it's way up in there. But we got it. We'll see if it works.
No clutch. I was like, what's going on here? Like,
Oh yeah.
I could totally feel it just moving. And I was
Nice,
like,
the lights
what
are back in the
fuck?
dash.
Let's try
Dude.
it this time.
Popped in a fuse.
Try lights.
We're good.
Okay.
Is your radio working?
It will, except I only have one speaker, so.
Oh, but that's not a fuse issue?
No, I just have one speaker. But I do have speakers at the house that I'm getting ready to put into it. As well.
Is it moving?
I got it off.
I wondered about that.
I heated it up a bit and just.
Well, it's not gonna be too bad, you know.
No.
Did you wire it off?
Have not wired it yet.
To check
I just
the
let it
welds.
cool down a little bit, yeah.
Because if you look at that, I mean, it's a lot to get that bracket, the whole thing out of there.
Oh yeah. Well, I started
You gotta,
melting.
you gotta remove the steering column and everything.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
No, you don't.
I started melting part of the bracket, so I was trying to give it a moment to cool down or whatever. But yeah, the top side, closest to the steering wheel, started to disintegrate.
We might
too
have
much.
to end up at some point drilling 2 holes, putting a plate on the backside maybe.
That's a good idea.
But I'd like to pull it out and just rebuild it, you know, or remake it.
Absolutely.
I think it needs a whole new, stronger one.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of a chintzy design.
Very, very chintzy. But
You guys
still
need
in
the
it.
power probe? You want me to order another one?
Huh?
You guys want me to order another one?
We're the only ones who use it.
I mean, I love my power probe. It's sweet once you learn that the secrets.
And I hadn't even learned the secrets of it. I just did regular shit instead of.
Oh, it's so sick. I'll have to order my power probe. Fuse box.
That was really it. It was just you found the fuse that was
We figured
causing
out there was a fuse causing another fuse. Door lock was causing the
Instrument cluster.
instrument cluster to not go. So interesting. But we got there.
And I pushed it up a little bit.
Damn it. God damn it.
We're gonna fit in.
Yeah, that definitely pushed it.
Holy shit. Yeah, a bit, huh?
I'll show you how you fix that.
You have a trick?
Oh yeah.
I love tricks.
Basically, we'll where it locks in. We'll take out the bumper, hook it up, and we'll just bounce it. We'll put it in the driveway with the truck and let it bounce, and pull the whole bottom part of the pan back down.
Oh, cool.
Not a big deal. Yeah, I can crack the shit out of it. Damn.
I mean, that was, yeah. No, it was, I mean,
That sucks.
it was loud.
Hey, you didn't tell me that. Yeah, you did get the wheel.
Did I? You don't think that was already there?
No, it's pretty shiny. From where I'm sitting, it's totally shiny.
Would you hit something recently?
My driveway.
The driveway.
Oh man.
Yeah, yeah.
It is kind of scary, those walls.
No, that driveway is sketchy.
Every single car I've owned, I've smacked. I mean, it's a rite of passage.
Usually hits the neighbor's cars coming out of it.
You're not wrong. That's not wrong. The new neighbors haven't learned to not park the car at the bottom yet.
They will.
They will soon.
So the lights are all coming on?
Oh yeah, we're in great
It's
shape.
in great shape.
Nice.
1 hour later.
I don't have any backup or any. I don't have any more than 210 now.
Oh, getting all over.
That's way better.
Yeah.
We're gonna need to get more mud.
I need to do that.
Yeah, I need to do that over there. Because that spot right there is what shows.
I do where the light is first.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's some more in the bucket too. Watch out for stepping in it.
How the fuck did you do that?
That's what I just said oh shit for.
Oh.
Yeah. That's way more better. Way more better. What you say? That's like what we're going for, isn't it? Right? I mean, that's pretty decent. What do you think?
Other than right here,
Where?
I think you done fucked it up right there.
I need probably to add more in this area.
No,
I was just trying to get that line. The line's gone now. Kinda.
you filled in there.
About what?
A few moments later.
What happens?
What about this gonna go? They all go together, they don't go. Okay.
And you still have TV.
Yep.
This needs to be grounded. And your ground wire is non-existent.
I have the ground hooked up to the plate. Is it still hot? That's the question. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. We're grounding out. Alright.
You know what you could do?
Hit that switch real quick. There we go.
Shit. Just touch it, you'll be okay. You?
Okay. Do you have power? Yep, TV's good. That's on. Not going.
Yeah.
So blue switch. Okay, that makes sense. That's cool. Good to know.
Now,
Good job,
successfully
boys.
put that up there
After
without
like
fucking shit
an
out.
hour. But Evan's the man. He's also now an electrician.
I went to school for double E. That's gonna touch right there. And you ever
Fuck
play the game
yeah.
Operation?
Oh, you're gonna blow it again.
You're not just zapping shit out of yourself.
No. Operation. Nope. Yeah, those ones, new ones would be good.
Drill light?
No, the drill.
I don't have a drill
It's out
out
there.
there.
Get up, man. Right in there. This pleases me.
One hour later.
Day 14 days aged.
Oh, that's nice. Holy shit. Well, we'll do them justice then. Alright, pass me that salt and pepper, please. If we have the whole pepper grounds in there, that'd be dope.
What do you need basil for?
Me? I don't need basil at all. Do you need basil? Alexa, set a timer for 3.5 minutes. I mean, you're gonna tell me in about 7 minutes. All them juices coming to the top. We're salt and pepper, but yeah. See, that's what I was saying.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. That's pretty fucking good.